This recipe is real simple. First of all, everything is even proportion. We're gonna start out by taking our teaspoon. And so we don't have all that jingle claddle. Let's go ahead and just remove this from the bunch real quick. Okay, teaspoon. And of course, your grinder. You don't need a grinder to make it dust. It wouldn't be dust without a grinder. Other than that, it'd just be like seasoning. Well, it's still seasoning, but you need that grinder to make it that dust. And you already know, if you're not sneezing, it ain't seasoning. All right, you're gonna start off with some cayenne pepper. Teaspoon. Yep. Now you can omit a teaspoon of this if you want. You can be a quarter teaspoon, half a teaspoon, or whatever if you don't like all that spice. But I like the spice. Next, we're gonna come in with our brown sugar. Teaspoon brown sugar. And next is here. That's my garlic butter rub. Recipe for this is in the description as well. Teaspoon of this right here. Ooh, boy, this stuff's so good right here, y'all. And last, some Kinder's wood-fired garlic. Yeah. Teaspoon of this baby. And we in business. All we got to do now is just turn this seasoning into a dust. We already know I've been sneezing, right? So we're gonna let that settle down real quick before we top it up in a container. You see, I just got a little bit left here, so yeah, it's time to fill that baby up, y'all. And what I like to do to fill mine up is I like to get something where I can pour it in there, right? You know, like so. All right. And that way, you know, I just got like an envelope that's folded in half so I can meter this down into the container. And that is a dust round. A seasoning that's been transferred and transformed into a dust. Yeah, I take that everywhere I go, y'all. Everywhere I go. Fry dust. Put that shit on everything. Hey, what's up, YouTube? Thanks for stopping by my channel. Hit that like button, leave me a comment. I drop videos once a week. So hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a thing. Thanks for watching. Yeah, you know what to do.